Welcome back. It's now time for Midday Sports.
With Cavalier already taking one of two semi-final spots in Group B of the CONCACAF CFU Club Championship, Mount Pleasant FC will be hoping to join their Jamaican counterparts, but they must get the better of Real Hope from Haiti at Sabina Park at 7 p.m. Mount Pleasant are one win away from joining Cavalier in the semi-finals, but they will face a Real Hope team who only need a draw to advance. It's a tie that normally would be in favour of the home team, but the scenario is a bit different this time around, as Real Hope's record in Jamaica is impressive. The Haitians are unbeaten in Jamaica, beating Cavalier here while taking a point from Arnett Gardens and Police FC. It's something Mount Pleasant is aware of.
It's a very important game. We know the task at hand. Destiny is in our hands. The team know what they have to do. So. As I said before, we're looking forward to the challenge.
Cavalier will start the day top of the table on 6 points, 1 point ahead of second place Real Hope, and 2 more than Mount Pleasant. The national champions are already in the semi-finals, but victory would ensure they finish top. But standing in their way is the third Jamaican team in Arnett Gardens, who have already dropped out of contention. They will play at the National Stadium.
Get a win in the winning column. We haven't done so in probably a couple of weeks, and we want to finish the competition on a high, so we really going to give it our best shot.
The winner of this group will face Mocha FC of the Dominican Republic, while the second place finisher will have another Dominican club in Cibao to contend with. Jamaica Women's Premier League champions Fraser's Whip were hammered 13-0 by Gotham FC of the United States in their final group game of the CONCACAF Women's Champions Cup at the National Stadium on Wednesday night. 2 players had hat-tricks for Gotham. Yasmin Ryan had goals in the 13th, 18th and 90th minutes, while Lynn Williams scored in minutes 82, 86 and the 3rd minute of second half stoppage time. Taryn Torrance also scored a brace, while there was an own goal from Nevergale Abel. It was Fraser's Whip's heaviest defeat of the competition and meant they ended the competition winless and pointless from their 4 matches. They scored only 1 goal and conceded 30 as they suffered at least a 5-goal margin of defeat in all their games. Finally, the St. Lucia Kings booked their spot in the final of the Caribbean Premier League after defeating defending champions Guyana Amazon Warriors by 15 runs via the Duckworth-Lewis Stern method in the first qualifier at the Providence Stadium on Wednesday night. The Kings first posted 198 for 5 after electing to bat. They were led by player of the match, Johnson Charles, who cracked a 79 off 45 balls, including 8 4s and 5 6s. He also shared in a 104-run opening partnership with captain Faf du Plessis, who made 57. Dwayne Pretorius took 2 for 51 and Moeen Ali 2 for 24. In reply, the Amazon Warriors reached 106 for 4 after 13 overs when rain stopped play. With no further play possible in the contest, the Kings were declared winners via DLS. The Amazon Warriors will get another chance to get into the final when they batter Barbados Royals on Friday, also at the Providence Stadium. The winner of that contest will face the Kings in Sunday's final. And that's it for your Midday Sports. I'm Renata Brown.
Thanks, Bernardo. And that concludes the Midday News Package. I'm Kerry-Ann Simpson. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.